We've added an option inside our pocket operation called floor finish only. Floor finish only will put a finish pass on the floor of the pocket only up until the wall offset. If we take a look in this particular operation, I've created my geometry being on the floor itself, and I've chosen my end mill, and in my levels you'll note that I'm going down up until 30 millimeters, and I put in a step down for every 5 millimeters. If I go to my technology page, we have now the option of floor finish only. If I use the option of floor finish only, you'll note that I also have a wall offset of 0.5. When I calculate, it'll only do a finish pass on the floor up until the actual wall offset. If we take a look at the simulation itself, you'll see that the floor is being finished, and if I zoom into the area of the wall, you'll see that there's still a 0.5 millimeter of wall left over to be finished over there.